What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this multi-time frame forecast. We're going to be going over AUDUSD. Someone had requested this, so let's go to the messages real quick. Um, so Andrew Chang 291 requested AUD, and we had done recently a Euro USD, so that's why we did not review that one. So if you guys have other suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments or message us privately, and we'll be more than happy to review it. So we're just going to go through quickly AUD USD again. Now, we had marked this one up in the past previously, but just to give you a quick insight of what we had done, we went to the line chart on the monthly as always, picked out the critical areas of structure where price was at or could potentially be going, in addition to identifying some general trends. So right here, you can see we have a nice little channel being presented as well, which is telling us that we do have some bearish momentum being formed. So that being said, we also had this impulsive leg to the downside as we broke through the structure, coming up and retesting it as resistance, but we actually broke it up and we ended up coming in with a healthy retracement on this whole leg on the monthly. So the 60 was this area of structure right here, and now we're getting closer towards this 78 level right here. So nothing too promising as far as fibs go on the monthly time frame. Let's take a deeper look on the weekly and see if we identify anything here. So um, unfortunately, I have it marked up quite a bit, but we had a little range that was occurring right here with this previous area of structure. We were testing it as resistance as we came up to hit this retracement, and we ended up just coming back and testing the structural support from the monthly time frame as well as support. So we have this little sideways action coming on right here, which is to be expected after some big movements upwards or downwards. You're going to see some consolidation. And if we go down to the daily time frame, you can see this is where the pattern started to form. So let's make this a little bit darker for you guys to better identify it. So I had said that we wanted to break this trend line, and that's exactly what we did. And I said that we wanted to come up and close this pattern as we were trading the potential leg, and that's exactly what we did. So now we have this sideways consolidation on the upper end where we're starting to test this structural resistance, and that's exactly what we're doing. So with these particular patterns, we have a higher probability of making it up to the neckline, and that's kind of what we're looking like we're heading to go. So let's go down to the 4 hour and see if we identify anything interesting there. Um, so we had this little upside down M pattern, and we ended up just bumming up from here, and that's exactly what we had done. And as you guys can see here, let's use this because it might be a little bit easier to identify. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 areas of structure that's being tested as resistance on this 4 hour time frame, which is indicative of it going in our desired direction. So let's see. We have several different setups being presented at the moment. If we could continue to respect this area of structure as support, or excuse me, as resistance, then we have a high probability of coming down from here and really making it up to our initial TP, which would be this neckline of this harmonics pattern up here. So let's keep that in mind, guys. And if it comes up to the structural resistance zone, we do have a higher probability of coming down again to testing the structural support zone. So let's mark up the two potential possibilities that we have being presented. And once again, this is a lot of it is speculative, so we have to wait to see what price is going to do before we actually make impulsive moves and execute without any type of confirmation. So not only do we have a structure that's validating our ideas, we also want to make sure that our ideas are being confirmed with both candles and structure. Otherwise, we're just impulsively executing, and it is not a healthy way to sustain your balance. Remember, trading is not only about making money, it's about wealth preservation. So it's good to wait for confirmations. No need to be greedy. We are very early into the new trading week. So we're going to wait patiently for opportunities to present itself. But let's go down to the 4 hour real quick and just take a quick look at structure and the environment. So you can see we're still very bullish. However, like I said, we're starting to table off with the triple top. And as that starts accumulating, we're starting to see EMAs switch back over more consistently to a bearish environment. So once that's the case and structure presents itself for us, then we can start looking for some very safe executions for some shorts. So that being said, guys, this is AUDUSD. Like I said, thank you again, Andrew Chang 291, for reaching out and asking for this particular video. If you guys have other videos you would want us to cover or other pairs, feel free to message us or send us or comment it down below. And please, please, please like these ideas. Not only do they support us, they really do give others the opportunity to see these videos. And it really shows us that we're doing the right thing, providing you with some good information on how to read charts and potentially take away some pips as well. So remember, last month we've done a collective 5,000 pips. Last week we did close to 200. And the pairs that we're presenting, 2 videos a day, are only a fraction of the pips that we collect. So if you guys are interested in learning more on how to read charts like this, or if you guys are on time constraints and or want to make money while learning, as in collecting all the number of pips that we collect on a weekly, monthly basis, feel free to message us as well. We'll be more than happy to talk you through that as well. Me personally, I'd love to teach you guys, making us obsolete. However, if you guys are interested, we are more than happy to assist you in garnering the same number of pips as well. So this is AUD We're just going to be patiently waiting for the opportunity to present itself. We have a triple top on the 4-hour, triple top on the daily as well with this wick. And you can see that the structure actually extends further back as well. So we're just going to stay patient, waiting for structure to present itself and the environment to switch to a bearish environment. That being said, hope you guys are having a safe week, and hoping you guys make a lot of money this week as well. Be safe, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.